What is a pin bar? A pin bar is a type of candlestick that signals the reversal of prices. It consists of a long shadow, a small shadow, and a body between them. However, besides all a candlestick pattern a pin bar. In the picture above, you can see two types of. A bearish pin bar is formed after a solid movement upwards or at the end of an uptrend. Its body is entirely contained within the body of a previous bullish bar. It has a long upper tail that could be 3 or more times longer than the body size. It can be either bearish or bullish, but the bearish one is believed to provide a stronger signal. The pattern should be confirmed by the bearish candle that opens below the body of the pin bar. This signal shows that bulls tried to push the price higher, but their attempts got